First I will show you how to install CapCut. Go to Play Store. Here go to search, then type CapCut. Okay, then click the search button and you will get this CapCut. I have already installed this, so it is showing either uninstall or open. I will just open it. Now I will create one new video with this CapCut. Now go to the new video, click on the plus button. It is required to add any video first if you want, or if you can add photo. Let me add one video, very small video. Let's add it. Okay, it has been added. Okay, so now I will add some audio. To do that, let's go to audio and then click on text to audio. Okay, now right here whatever you want the text. I have written hello world here. Okay, let's click on done. Choose one of the character like rape girl. Okay,
Hello world.
okay, now click on next. So it's added. You can see that audio has been added. Okay, now if you want to add some text, add text. So here you can again write hello world. Hello world. Okay, and set some effect. Set the font, style, whatever you want. So I have chosen the style red, very good looking. Now go back, position this hello world whatever you want. Okay, that position is fine. Now see, there is a CapCut added video portion which is added already there. See, if I play that, it is showing this CapCut logo. I just want to remove that. To do that, fix it the position. Okay, and then click edit. Here you will get the split. Okay, now just click on split. It will split that video. Now click that and delete. Again here is another portion. Click and delete. Now let's add some music, background music. To do that, go to audio and go to sound. Here you will get one folder icon, right? This one. Here you will click on device and search your audio. I have some free audio. Choose it. Okay, and add that. Okay, it has been added. Adjust it. Okay, so it's added. It's a long audio. I don't want such long, so I need to split that. Let's split it. Split. Click that. Select this portion and delete. So now I have added that video. I have added some audio with from text. Then I have added some background music. Okay. So now select that cover picture select from album. Okay, I have already created some hello thumbnail. Okay, select and confirm. So this is added. Click save. Now that thumbnail has been added, so everything is done. Now export this. That video is exporting. Okay, now it's done. Let's go to that files. Now you will see this video.
Cheers! Your video is ready to upload. Thank you for watching.